What up, digital slang? Welcome back. Today another pair of true wireless earbuds. These are from Backbay, the Duet 50 Slim. You saw the quick unboxing. Also in the box, we did get a bunch of extra silicone tips, and I do recommend, like in all my videos, to actually use those, change those out, because your sound will vary depending on what kind of seal you have. USB Type-C, and these are the buds and the case, a metal case, pretty dope. User's manual and a 1-year warranty. You can go and register on their website for a 1-year warranty for your product. And again, the packaging. Now what's cool, in the back of the packaging here, they do have all of your touch controls. And again, these do have physical buttons on these earbuds that do support everything, including volume, which is always a good thing. So now I'm digging the case. Again, this is the 50 Slim, and slim is a good word for it. This thing is tiny, very small, but it feels premium. This is a metal case. You do have the chrome ring around here with a very dark, like metallic gray. The Backbay branding in white on top. Overall, very premium feeling case. This thing feels legit. Magnets are in there, very strong magnets. These are not going anywhere. Battery life on these guys is going to be around 8 hours of juice and 30 total with the case. Overall, not bad. Again, physical buttons on here. These things are tiny, very small, very compact. I dig it. Nothing else on the case. There's some text on the bottom here, and then your USB Type-C on the back to charge. But overall, very premium feeling case. No LED lights here on the case though. A little disappointing there. If we take a look at the actual buds, you can see it's same color as the case on the outside, that dark metallic gray. And the top where the physical buttons are, where their branding is black. The button is black, and then you see the branding in either a silver or a white, kind of hard to tell. Looks like a silver, and there are LED lights here as well. And again, these are very small. These are going to be very lightweight in your ear, but let's throw them in, connect them. We'll start all of the usual testing. All right, guys, specs on here. 8 hours of juice, once again, and 30 total with the case. IPX5, sweat and water resistant. So not waterproof, but these are water resistant. Feel free to whatever, work out, run in the rain, do whatever you want to do, they will be fine. Now, as far as your codecs go, it does support aptX, SBC, and AAC. You can use one at a time. And again, the metal case, very premium feeling. Price on these guys, right around 52 bucks, but they do quite often have coupons, so check that out. I'll drop the links below. And again, physical buttons that do control everything, including your volume. So I'll show you all of that once we get into the testing. Let's play some music. Check them out. All right, guys, sound quality on these things. Look, if you're an audiophile, I think this is more geared towards you. If you are a bass head and you like that punchiness, this is not the pair of earbuds for you. The highs and the mids stand out a little bit more than the bass. And as far as volume goes, I wish there was slightly more volume. For me, they're not loud enough. I need either to be a little excessive, or I need to be turned all the way up. Even turned all the way up with these, I feel myself needing more, not wanting more, needing more. So a little disappointing. They are clear, very clear. And again, I think if you're an audiophile, you would like these. But if you like that punchy bass and you need that like loud volume, these are definitely not for you. But overall, very clear. They sound good. Listening to content, movies, YouTube videos, Netflix, that's going to sound really good on here. So we're gonna keep going. We're gonna do a mic test. Check out the mic. What up, guys? The mic test, the Duet 50 Slim from Backbay. Another pair of true wireless earbuds. These come in right around 50 bucks. Very premium case. Very small and compact earbuds. Hopefully the mic sounds pretty good. Let me know. So listening to content, YouTube videos, Netflix, you're not going to have any delay, no latency at all. And these sound really good listening to content. Again, for music, I would like more bass, but listening to movies, Netflix, YouTube videos, your daily dose of social media, these things are great. So we're gonna keep going. I'm gonna show you guys the touch controls. So touch controls, the way these work. Again, physical buttons, very sensitive. You don't have to push too hard in your ear to get them to work. And again, if you really need to know what the physical buttons do on the back of your box, on the back of your packaging, they do explain what they do. So we're gonna get right into it. I'll hit play. Music is playing. The right earbud first. One push on the button, it will pause. And one push again, it will play. If we double tap, the volume will go up. And if we touch and hold, it will beep. You let go and it will go to the next track. And if you just touch and hold for longer than 2 seconds, it will power these off, and that's how you power them on as well. The left side, one tap, one touch, one push, whatever you want to call it. It will pause, one push again, it will play. If we double tap, of course, the volume is going to go down. And of course, to go back to the previous track, you just touch and hold, wait for the beep, let go, and it will go back to the previous track, or it will just start that song over. Now to activate your voice assistant, whether it is Siri or Google Assistant, if you triple tap on either bud, it will bring up your voice assistant, and it works very well. Earbuds have gotten to a place, man, there are tons and tons of earbuds. Bang for buck, good value, and again, this is just another one thrown into the mix, man. The technology has just improved so much. What AirPods have done in the wireless Bluetooth market, it's insane. They started it all years ago when they came out with the AirPods, and it's just blown up since then. So options, man, we have tons and tons of options in the wireless earbud market, and I'm excited about it. It's just gonna keep getting better and better, and we're gonna get better options for less money as we move forward. So the backbay, again, price on these, 50 bucks, 8 hours of juice, 30 hours with the case, physical button controls that control everything, very compact, very lightweight, Bluetooth 5.0, and the volume. I wish there was a little more volume on here. That might be loud enough for some people. If you guys follow the channel, you know I like that excessive volume where I can turn it down, dial it down a little bit, and control it a little bit more. I wish there was more bass on here, but very clear. If you're an audiophile, I think you will like how these sound listening to content, whether it's YouTube, Netflix, videos, movies, whatever it is, it's going to sound really good, crispy, clean. And it's it. Let me know how the mic sounds. But another pair of true wireless earbuds. These are from backbay, the Slim 50 Duets. That's it, guys. I'll be back soon with more. Peace.